Hey everyone, Aiden here from Logic Repair and Recovery in Calgary, Alberta. We just got a mail in from a client and they said, right here, they had their phone repaired at another shop, local shop here, and they said it was water damaged and they can't repair it. So basically we're gonna have a quick look at it here and see if we can see anything here. See anything out of the ordinary. I mean, yeah, the water indicator is set off there, so it's even still, oh, it's not wet. So they said they tried a battery and a screen. That looks pretty good. I mean, it didn't look like the board was taken out of the housing, so over here, let's see then. Looks good. I mean, you always want to check around, especially the filters. I haven't measured it yet, but the initial inspection usually tells you quite a bit about what they did. Connectors look pretty good. Yeah, there we go. So this is a long screw damaged phone. So let me just I'm just going to take this. So this is in the initial quote stage. So all I'm going to do is just confirm that this is in fact long screw damage. And then we would move on to actually quoting the customer and figuring out if it's something that they even wanted to repair, if they're after the data or anything like that. So yeah, we'll go ahead and yank this guy off. It is really close to the CPU, so we're going to be pretty careful here as far as getting the heat blockage. So we got a little bit of flux on there. We're gonna go ahead and we got temperature about 380, 390, air at about 3 or 4. Go ahead and heat up the board a little bit. Get this guy going. Yeah, so this is what happens when you put the wrong screw back in the shield that covers the LCD and digitizer and all that fun stuff. They are different lengths. Usually it's kind of common knowledge against or with the majority of good techs, but sometimes you just get it mixed up, or DIY gets it mixed up. So you want to be careful you don't mix up those screws, or phone will end up here. I do kind of enjoy these. I kind of hope the customer is gonna go ahead and let me do this. Hopefully it's not down too many layers. So I got that anchor off. I'm just gonna zoom in here and see. Yeah, so that's definitely some long screw damage in there. We're gonna go ahead and stop the repair here and contact the client and let them know what's going on, and they can figure out if they want to do it or not, if it's worth it, if they're after the data, and then I can go ahead and start testing the actual connector and see what lines are short, scrape it away. And yeah, you know, the deal kind of sucks because they're claiming that this is that they couldn't fix it because it was water damaged, you know. So the water tester is red, so it kind of sucks there, but long screw damage does not happen from water damage. So cool. Well, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.